I'm about to let you in on a fashion designer secret that'll change your life, save you hundreds of dollars, and extend the life of your pricey cashmere sweaters. Ignore the dry clean only labels. Not only do the harsh chemicals used in dry cleaning strip the fibers, they ultimately shorten the lifespan of your cashmere. No bueno. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to care for your cashmere at home to not only extend its life, plus the time and hassle of going to and from the dry cleaner. Hi ladies, welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Shelli Pelly and I am a style and beauty connoisseur. I have loved fashion and beauty my entire life. Over time, I've learned tips and tricks to making the most out of your style investments, and that is what we're doing today. Let's dive right in. Okay, y'all, a little frustrating, right? Because the label says dry cleaning only, but according to cashmere brand representatives and fashion designers, that is not the way to take care of your cashmere. Harsh chemicals used in dry cleaning strip the fibers and shorten the life and durability of our cashmere. All right, that doesn't mean that we don't take care of our cashmere. You certainly cannot throw it into the laundry with your jeans and your t-shirts. That will ruin it. Here's how to take care of your cashmere sweaters so that they stay in near perfect condition. You will need 4 things. Number 1, a wool wash or a baby shampoo, preferably a wool wash like Soak. Soak is a no-rinse detergent. You can certainly use baby shampoo, but that requires an extra step of a double rinse. More on that later. You'll need a clean sink large enough to soak your sweater, a drying rack, or a white towel. If you don't have a drying rack, lay a white towel on a flat surface and you're going to lay your sweater on top of that. Make sure it's a white towel. Colored towels can color transfer onto your cashmere, and that would obviously not be a good thing. Finally, a cashmere comb to help remove lint, fuzz, and dust from your sweaters between washes and wears. Number 5 is optional, a steamer. Hand wash clothing often dries with some wrinkles or some crunchiness. So a steamer can simply help to bring back its suppleness and its luster, and they're not that expensive. You can get one on Amazon for like $20. Now, how to wash it. First, you're gonna fill the sink with lukewarm water. Always lukewarm, never ever hot. Next, add your no-rinse detergent to the water. If you're using the Soak product, you'll only need about 1 capful per gallon of water. Submerge your sweater in the water, move it around to loosen up any dirt. Let the sweater soak in the soapy water for about 15 minutes. Come back every once in a while, give it a nice little gentle swirl, and let it rest. Now, if you used baby shampoo, you'll need to rinse out the soap. Empty the sink or tub, fill it up again with lukewarm water, and resubmerge the sweater, swirling it around a little bit to get the excess soap out. That is why I highly recommend getting the Soak product. It just saves you time. If you use soap, there's no need to rinse. Note, don't place your sweater under running water because that can damage the fabric. Lightly squeeze out the water. You never want to wring the sweater for obvious reasons. It's going to stretch the fibers. Final step, lay it flat on your white towel or your drying rack. Spread it out nicely, getting as many wrinkles out as possible, and wait for it to dry. You'll want to wash your sweaters every 7 to 10 wears, and certainly at the end of each season. Dirt, grime are like catnip to moths, y'all. You want to make sure to put them away nice and clean. Now that we're all done with sweater washing, I think you need a treat. Be sure to check out my next video, Celebrity Looks for Less, where I'll show you all sorts of super cute looks from your favorite celebrities for less, of course. And until later, I will talk to y'all soon. Take care.